Hi, welcome to the very first unboxing video. So here we have a box from Zenith. Let's see what we got, shall we? Always keep the outer cover, of course, very important. And it is a Pilot. This is a 45mm Pilot watch, bronze case, black dial, and this one's particularly interesting because in partnership with Zenith and Oster jewelers, we are actually donating this watch to the Morgan Adams Foundation, which is an incredible charity working with pediatric cancer and helping to find solutions and cures. So we're really proud to be involved, and this special piece will go to a very, very generous donor who is going to be giving a lot of money to help children. Now, the cutting carefully open the bag, and here we have pretty stunning piece. The lume on the dial is pretty mad. It really does glow. Quite a beautiful piece. And just for a moment here, we're going to take off the plastic. Now, check out this lume on the dial. Really, really cool. Wonderful, wonderful piece, bronze case, black dial, highly luminous hands and numbers, very much inspired by the original 1920s Pilot's watches that Zenith made. And you may notice the incredible onion crown as well, really big, easy to handle. They were designed so pilots could still wind their watches with gloves on. And you'll notice on the dial here, it actually says Pilot. And Zenith is the only watch brand that is able to write Pilot on the dial. They have the rights to that. And they made those original Pilot watches back in the early days of aviation. Really cool piece. And then the back of the watch is a titanium case back with this absolutely superb aviation engraving. Beautifully, beautifully done. And then you'll notice the engraving of the serial number on the side, and the style, the way it's done with the HB, that's the way that tail numbers are presented on Swiss aircraft. So if you look at a Swiss aircraft tail number, you'll see the HB at the start followed by a number. So a nice little detail there. So beautifully done, superb watch, very comfortable to wear, especially for a larger watch. Great piece of aviation history, just a wonderful watch. And we're very proud that we'll be donating this, along with Zenith, to the Morgan Adams Foundation, a great, great charity.